How to view your purchase history in Walmart. So if you want to view your purchase history on your Walmart, then first open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for Walmart. And once you've searched, here you will have www.walmart.com. Click on the first search and it will take you to the website. And you can simply go for the upper right, which has your profile, or you can log into your account. And once you've logged into your account, go for your account, click on that, and here on the first option you will have purchase history. So simply click on purchase history, and once you've clicked on that, you will be taken to your purchase history. So for now I have not ordered any one of the products, so I don't have that purchase history. But if you have ordered any, then you will have your purchase history here. You can simply filter that by the date for last 3 months, 6 months, or the year that you would like to know the purchase history, and your returns, and in store, and the status. You will have all of these options. So you can simply filter any one of these options, and then you can view your purchase history. So that's it. That's how you view your purchase history on your Walmart. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.